One of the most important parts of setting a go-to-market strategy is establishing product market fit. And we'll talk about how to do that and why it's important. So if we think about our value proposition canvas, there are two sides. On the right, you have your customer profile. So this is your customer and your understanding of the things that they do and the pains and gains that are related to that experience. And then also the value proposition, which is written from your perspective. So how would you define the products and services that you offer, the gains you create, and the pains that you relieve for the customer? Now, the value proposition canvas has two sides, as we talked about, and the value map is what we're going to focus on today. So let's first look at the products and services in a value map. So simply, it's a list of what you offer. Now, your value proposition is going to consist of different types of offerings. This might be the physical, tangible offering, the intangible things that you might offer, digital offerings and experiences, as well as financial instruments. Now, pain relievers describe how your product or service actually alleviates customer pains. Where gain creators describes how your product or service offers your customer a delight that they wouldn't have experienced otherwise. Now, establishing fit is when you're able to take your customer profile and your value map and draw lines between the two to show that the customer experiences that they currently find painful or they don't want to experience, that your product and service actually helps address. Now, if we look at this example, we'll see that we have business book readers as the customer we're profiling. There's tons of jobs, gains, and pains in their profile today. Then we have the value proposition being designed for the value proposition canvas textbook as an answer to that customer's problems. Now, when you look at the customer profile, you see some things have a check and others have an X. That goes to show that you don't have to address everything that's in your customer profile. You can just pull out the things that your value map wants to address, and then on your value map, you actually call out exactly how you're going to address those things that you've checked off in the customer profile. Now, you would start by doing this on paper. So that's what the value map and the customer profile do. And that enables us to define problem-solution fit. Now, this is all based on our assumptions. So then we want to take that into the market and establish product market fit. And that's to show that the products and services we're offering, customers are actually interested in and would want to buy. And then once you've done that, the future process would be the business model fit. You want to make sure that your business model is scalable and that it can actually handle the product market design. So let's summarize our fit. The fit of a value proposition map and the customer profile. So if you look at this here, you'll see that our products and services, so that's the section of the value map highlighted there, helps the entire customer who wants to do specific customer jobs by relieving pains and giving them gains, unlike a completely different other value map that does other things for the customer that we can do better. And so there you have it. That's how you summarize the fit.